channel. So today I'm going to be making mince pies, and this is a really easy and simple recipe. This is inspired by Mary Berry. So let's begin. So I'm going to add 175 grams of butter in 175 grams of plain flour. So remember to keep the butter cold, and I'm going to add 25 grams of icing sugar. So we're going to now just mix this with our hands. So we just carry on until the butter is mixed in with the flour. So as you can see, the butter is now properly incorporated in the flour. So I'm going to now add 1 egg. This should now bind all of the recipe together. So we're going to now form a dough. Okay, so I'm going to now cover this in cling film and pop this in the fridge for 10 minutes. So as you can see, the pastry has now been in the fridge for 10 minutes. So I'm going to now unwrap this. We're going to roll this up. I'm just going to roll this out. Okay, so you can use a cutter, or if you want to make a bigger circle, then you can use just a normal glass. So I'm just going to So as you can see, I've made 6 circles. We're going to make 6 in total, and with the rest of the pastry I'm going to roll this out, and I'm going to cut some strips to form some crosses on top of the pies. So we're going to have about 6 strips in total. So I'm just going to press these down. so with a fork I'm just going to make some holes. So our pastries are now ready. So I'm now going to add about a teaspoon of the mincemeat filling. Okay, so remember the strips that we did? So we're going to now just crisscross these. Like so. Just gently push them down so they stick together. And then just one more. These are now ready for the oven, so we're going to pop these in the oven on a gas mark 5 for 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, the mince pies are now ready. And finally I'm going to dust this with some icing sugar. So here we go, our mince pies are now ready to serve. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.